Hi everyone, my name is Maggie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make these cute quilted patchwork star ornaments. You can use them for so many things, like tree ornaments or even as festive pincushions. All you're going to need is some pretty Christmas fabrics, some toy stuffing, a button and a pattern. You can either draft this by yourself or you can use my free template, which will be available in the description or in the corner up here. Let's get started. First of all, we're going to cut out the 5 points of our star from the quilting fabric. Once we've cut out all 5 of our points, we're going to place them right sides together and sew with an 0.5 cm or 3/8 of an inch seam allowance. You can either do this by hand or by sewing machine, it doesn't really matter, but of course with a sewing machine it will be done a bit quicker. Once we've sewn the entire star together, we'll need to close the last seam to complete our front of the star. Next, we'll need to look at the back. So you can either do the same as you did for the front and cut out 5 individual points and patchwork them together, or you can do as I am doing here and cut out the entire back piece from one piece of fabric. Again, we're going to put the back piece and the front right sides together and sew around it with an 0.5 cm seam allowance, making sure to leave a gap to turn it right side out. Once we've sewed all around our star, we're going to turn it right side out through the little gap we left in the seam. And we're going to stuff it with our toy stuffing, or if you want to, you can also use some scrap fabric for this. Once our star is nice and stuffed, we're going to fold the seam allowances inwards at that gap and hand sew the gap shut. As a final touch, we're also going to add a button in the middle, and this will also cover up any irregularities or mistakes you might have made if it didn't quite join up the way you wanted. And we're going to secure our button firmly, so to get that little cute dent in the middle. Secure your thread on the back of your star and you're done. And here we have the finished patchwork stars. Let me know in the comments what you'll be using yours for. I'm just going to use mine for decoration. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.